Mera bivi tum piari lag rahiho.
Yeah, thank you so much. Oh, that's nice compliment.
Alright, yeah, someone was asking
Okay.
that is Pastor Cotton learning Urdu. So what did I say?
Oh, he's saying that Chanda tum pyari lag rahi ho.
Yeah.
Oh, you are looking beautiful.
Yes, yes, yes. She's looking beautiful.
Yes, that's what he's saying, that you are looking beautiful.
Tum piari lag rahiho.
Oh, my Tubasa. Thank you.
No.
And also, I wanted to ask, someone sent a comment like Imi Vano Miri Vari, huh? Mari Sapatina Sapatina.
Alright, you're saying Imi Vanhu muri Sapatina.
So, what does it mean?
What does it mean, you guys? What does this mean? Hanzi Imi Vanhu muri Sapatina.
And then, what is the
Evelyn, what do you mean? This is Evelyn who said this comment. Imi Vanhu muri Sapatina. What does it mean, Sapatina?
So, please let us know right in the section. Yes.
Yes. I hope you guys are still enjoying our videos. We kindly ask you to continue to follow, to like and share. May God bless you.
Amen.